Swiss yen. Delete that. So the 164.5 level that I have here is its full monthly range. I think it will hit that this week, but you can see a big bull candle after it broke this zone, which is nice. Like, it's obviously still very bullish. It wants to go up, but the other yen pairs just don't really. So there's not enough momentum for Swiss yen to go up, but it just will be slow. No trade setups with this one either. Just have to wait. I mean, you could jump in on something maybe if it came down to this level, but I don't think it will. And I mean, even if it did come down to this level, I wouldn't take a trade off that. It's just not. That's what happens towards the end of the month, is all these pairs have moved so much, they're kind of burnt out, and there's just not enough money in any of them really to make money, like for it to be worth the risk to reward. For me personally, I don't want to get 50 pips. I want 500 pips, 300 pips. I want the big moves. I want the start of the month moves. I want the full weekly moves. I just want the big moves. I don't want, little scalps here and there. Some people do, but I don't. So that's Swiss yen. We just have to wait. It is still super bullish though, so just be ready for big buy orders when they do come in, and then you can take advantage of them.